I'm Dean Morris. I'm the Chief Operations Officer for RoslinCT. We're a full-service CDMO specializing in cell therapy. We have global presence. We have an office in the U.S. in Massachusetts, right outside of Boston. We have another facility in Edinburgh, Scotland. So we have a global reach for our operations. What we've seen working with a lot of our partners is really a shift from what was, mostly autologous cell therapy, which has a lot of logistical complications to more of an allogeneic processes using iPSCs and other starting materials. And I think that's really exciting for us because it allows us to really expand the patient population and essentially have an impact on many more large volume indications and get to more patients and impact their lives. We're really excited about our digital footprint and trying to enhance our digital systems. There's a lot of potential in the development space with new technologies, with AI, but also in the manufacturing space. It allows us to really integrate our systems and improve the quality of our product, help increase efficiencies, ultimately reduce cost, which means better access for patients. Yeah, no, this has been a great meeting for us. We've met a lot of folks in a lot of different areas of the industry. It's been a little warm, but it's been great to connect with old colleagues as well as hear from a lot of experts in the industry about their experiences, share best practices because we're all in this together and we're really trying to expand our impact on the industry.